Alongside our recently upgraded CRM, we're excited to launch new SmartSites with SmartSearch. What do you get? Modern templates, improved search functionality, and additional CRM integration built to give your business a boost. Besides a new look and feel, our improved SmartSites with enhanced SmartSearch provide more than just a better search experience for your clients. They also integrate seamlessly with your CRM, providing actionable insight into consumer activity. Here's what you need to know about your new SmartSite. Your SmartSite is automatically updated with a new modern design. All of your current information will auto-pull into the new site. Links to your old SmartSite will redirect to the new one. When logged in, client contact info and activity will be pulled into your CRM. This is viewable under the CRM tab in RealSmart Agent. You can now manage your SmartSite in RealSmart Agent under Marketing, My Agent Site. Now let's take a look at our SmartSearch improvements. SmartSearch has gotten an intuitive, modern, mobile-friendly design, plus search functionality that uses Real Estate Standards Organization, or RESO for short. New filters including stories, days listed, parking spots, features, and tours, and the ability to sort by square feet and lot size. To learn how to edit your new SmartSite, check out our tutorial video in RealSmart Agent under Education Videos. As always, stay tuned for future tech updates. Until then, log into your dashboard today to check out and optimize your new SmartSite.